Hello, everyone. Happy April 1st. Wow. It is April Fool's Day, but it's also my daughter's 8th birthday. So happy birthday to Birdie. Um, I hope you're having a great week. This is going to be a short and sweet recording because basically what you all you have to do for this week, since you had a wellness day on Tuesday, and I don't want to overload you with too much, and hope you have enjoyed this week so far, is to watch Crip Camp. So this is a film that you can access on Netflix. So hopefully everybody has access to Netflix. I feel like even if you yourself don't have like a subscription, or your roommate even, that somebody in your family or friend group surely has a subscription to Netflix and you can watch Crip Camp. It is a normal length film, so like an hour and a half long, I believe. But it's really interesting. It's a nice culmination, I think, of things that we've talked about this semester. And it also has Judy Human in it. So it'll do a nice job of like tying, the Being Human book in with some of the things that we've discussed, disability studies stuff. So it's called Crip Camp, A Disability Revolution. It's all about this summer camp for folks with disabilities back in the 70s. Really entertaining and interesting. This is a link to it here. This is also going to be posted in the asynchronous module online for you. So if you will watch this film, and then you need to complete a check-in related to the film. So that check-in will be under assignments. It's due next Tuesday. It's check-in number 14. The other thing that you need to be keeping in mind is that your in-class presentations are due on the 13th. So that is coming up very quickly. So next Tuesday, when we meet, we're going to have the first ever in edX 205 Being Human Book Club. If you are not a member of a book club, be ready. It is like stimulating and entertaining. Not really. We can't, make a big spread because of COVID or bring alcoholic beverages, which is usually what I enjoy during my personal book clubs with my friends. But we are going to try to make it a fun book club kind of a vibe. And I will bring some snacks that are individually packaged so that we're not at risk for spreading COVID. But if you would like to bring anything to share with the class, or just like a snack of your own for yourself, that's fine. You can bring something to drink, make sure it's non-alcoholic, since we will be in a USC classroom. But yeah, we're just going to chat about the book and kind of debrief and maybe compare some of Judy's lived experiences to some of the movements and disability studies topics that we have explored this semester. And then that will be really our last class where me and Dr. Asada will be like teaching. Because from then on, the last 2 weeks that we meet, we will have presentations from you guys. So hopefully it'll be a fun, like sort of culminating class for us. And I hope you have a great weekend, and I hope you enjoy watching Crip Camp.